Okay, Dan, I've got you on video here. Hold on, I want to watch the process here. Okay, we got the hairspray.
I gave him a Magnum. I gave him a whole potato.
Hairspray, seal it, ignite.
Squeeze that red trigger right there. You gotta go ahead and shoot it. All the gas will escape. Yeah, all the gas will escape. Go ahead and shoot.
Oh my God! Look at that! That's what he got. He shot it right there and he hit it. Oh my God!
I should have put more hairspray in that. That's all the potatoes I got.
You're out of potatoes?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh man, you got any sweet potatoes?
I got none at all.
What other projectiles do you have that you can shove in there?
I'll tell you what works real good. You take 1.5 PVC like this here, cut it about that thick.
Yeah.
You take rubbers, fold them over the top, take a marble, stick in the tip, fill them full of water, put them in the freezer.
That would fucking hurt. That would definitely kill. All right.
They slide out of there, they come out.
There you go. I'm glad I caught that. Was that fun, Dan?
I gotta get one of these.
Well, he can make it for you. 35 bucks, he said.
That's all it is. That's all it is. You couldn't get that back across the border with you.
Oh, probably not.